In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Metamask to Coinbase in 2023. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Coinbase. So you want to come across to your apps and open up Coinbase. And what you're going to want to do first is actually find your wallet address. So in order to find this, what you want to do is come down to My Assets down at the bottom, and then you want to click onto Receive, which is the blue arrow here. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and choose your cryptocurrency from the drop-down list. So you can see you've got some different options available. For the purpose of this, I'm going to go for Ethereum. And just a quick note at this point that each cryptocurrency does have a separate wallet address, so just bear that in mind when you do obtain your wallet address. So what you will now see is your actual address at the bottom. So of course I've blurred mine out for security reasons, but what you would do is just go ahead and click the copy button. You can see that's now been copied. And then what we can do is open up Metamask. So when you come into Metamask, you're again going to be presented with a screen that should look similar to this. And what you're going to want to do, down at the very bottom in the middle, you're going to see the two arrows. So what you want to do is press onto that, and then go ahead and press send. And what you can then do is choose which account you want to send from. So if you look at this box here, you can select from the drop down box which account. So this one, my one for Ethereum. So I'm going to select this one, and in the box underneath where it says to, what you want to do is go ahead and pop your wallet address into there. So again, as I mentioned, I've blurred out my address for security reasons, but once that's done, just go ahead and click next down here. And then you can go ahead and choose how much to send through. So if I wanted to send 5 Ethereum, it's going to tell you how much it's going to cost. And then click the next button underneath. Once that's done, it's just going to give you a quick confirmation. And if you're happy to go ahead, you can then go ahead and transfer the money from your Metamask account to Coinbase. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.